our Made Smarter Innovation Alley as part of Smart Manufacturing Expo, which is part of Digital Manufacturing Week in Liverpool. We've got some great companies here showcasing their latest technology to disrupt and transform the UK manufacturing sector. And we're partnered with Innovate UK, we've got Innovate UK KTN, and with the High Value Manufacturing Catapult. We're all about collaboration at KTN, and that's what we do best, and that's what we're showcasing here today.
So it's great to be at the Innovation Alley because it's allowed us to actually demo how our software works. Having a stand here allows us to reach a much wider audience.
You know, we're surrounded by other people doing really innovative things, so just being able to talk about what they're doing and find out what else is going on is a great place to be, really.
An amazing event where we can meet so many manufacturers, drive sustainability, optimization, digitalization, visibility. So very happy and excited to be here.
So what we do with all the companies on the Innovation Alley, we give them the opportunity to take part in an investor readiness programme. And then at the end of that, we give them the opportunity, if they want, to go and actually pitch live to investors. Companies really do take on board that training and are able to quite often get investment or help them on that investment journey by doing that.